everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096. And it's that time of the month. It's time for the unboxing with a little bit of a twist this month. Kiwi Club members were supposed to receive the December 2023 kit. However, with some little snafus and postage and shipping and just some problems, so behind the scenes problems, we won't be receiving the December 2023 kit. Instead, we have the January 2024 kit. And that's what I'm going to show you today. The January 2024 kit is called I'm Your Number One Fan. This is the sticker on the box, and there's the QR code. What you do is you take your phone, take a picture of the QR code, and you can download the digital idea book, which I need to do. I need to remember that. Anyway, so this is the kit that we're going to be showing today. The January 2024, we're a little ahead of ourselves, Kiwi Lane kit, I'm Your Number One Fan. So let's open it up. Right off the bat, I like the colors. I just don't know what I'm going to do with this because I'm not a sports person. I don't have a kid in soccer or basketball or football. I go to football games, but I really don't know what I'm going to do with this. Hopefully the side B's are something that I can use. So let's start off. Every month, it's a little shiny there. So we'll put these to the side. Every month with the Kiwi Lane kit, you'll receive this 6x12 sheet. On the sheet, it tells you the different themes that you can create with the kit. This month, it's sports, dreams, and motivational, or play and movement. We'll have to see. Here's the template set. There's 9 pieces to the template set and the description of what's included in the kit. This kit has 12 12x12 80-pound pattern paper sheets, which are double-sided. 3 of the sheets are main sheets, 3 are supporting sheets, and 6 are background sheets. I'm probably going to be using a lot of the background sheets right off. I'm just going to be open with you about that. And here's another link to the idea book. The link expires in 90 days, so make sure that you download it as soon as you receive it. I keep needing to download it. I have to write myself a note. Every month also, Kiwi Lane gives you suggestions on what templates that we already have can go with this kit and with the template set that's already in the kit. This month is Everyday Adventures, which I have, photos, photo mats, and mini photos. Wonderful, I have them all. And then log into the community to save the date, and they'll do a sketch challenge and lots of other fun things. If you're not following me on Facebook, I really encourage you to come join my Kiwi Lane Facebook group. Just request, and I'll probably approve you. Most definitely, I'll probably approve you. So let's get on and look at let's do the papers. I always like to do the papers first. Oh. That's strange. Okay. Just me. Okay. The first page is lots of sports things. Home runs, match point, bump spike set. Like I said, I'm not a sports mom. My daughter is 28, so I really don't know how to use it. It's sort of a challenge for me right now, just seeing this. But I'm up for a challenge. So this is side A, the first one. You can see all the different sports related icons on there. Side A. Side B has like a little geometric pattern in there. I'll probably use side B. And I'll put all these papers up here so you'll know which side I'll be able to use. Side A, they're like arrows, chevrons. I have the chevron set. Why wasn't that a suggestion to use? I'm going to suggest using the chevron set. So side A and side B. Ooh, I like them both. That's a really cool orange pattern. Yes, I do like that. I'm not really an orange fan, but I like this one. So side A and side B. Like that. Dream big, you got this. Think positively. Cheer up. Maybe. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not sure. So side A, I do like the colors. That's something positive. Side A. Side B. I'm going to go with side B. Stripes. Can't go wrong with stripes, right? So this is side A. Ooh, I like that too. I might use them both. Okay, side A and side B. This is a light blue with a little bit of a darker, lighter blue design in it. This is side A. This is side B. I apologize for that shadow. There's nothing I can do about it. It's a little overcast here today, and I'm hoping I get a ring light for Christmas. This is a nice paper. It has lots of stars on it, and it's very nice pale yellow. I do like this one. Oh, but I like them both. Okay, I'll use them both. Oh, this is interesting. This is side A. Side B. I sort of like this side A. This is a gray geometric, well, has a pattern in it. A darker gray and a lighter gray. Side A. Side B. I'm not sure. Oh, there's two of them. I'm not sure which I like. I'll have to think about that one too. Side A is this light yellow. I don't know what it is, but some of my paper has little specks in it. So side A, side B. I'm not sure. See, I told you this kit, I'm just not sure. I mean, I'm sure that some people are going to just love it, where there are others like me who don't have kids in sports other than going to football games. So I just don't know how I'm going to use it. I'm going to have to figure this out. I like this paper though. This is side A. Side, ooh. I like them both. Side A and side B. I like the black, but I like the blue. So I'm probably going to use the blue and the black. Okay, so both of those I like. I like both of those. And we're going to keep this black sheet here so I can go through the sentiment cards. Every month I tell you the same thing of how do you use the sentiment cards if you don't like any of them. Photo corners, tracing a template, mounting a photo, lots of things. And this is going to be how it is for me this month. So first card is All Star. This is side A and side B. It's really sports related. You're awesome. And Go team, little pennants. Champ, a shoe, let's go, football, baseball, soccer. I just really don't know. I think I dropped one. And a megaphone. So those are those. We'll just push those to the side. I don't know how to use, I really don't. I'm being honest, I really don't know how to use those. I might have to gift them to someone. Then there's these titles, Game Day, You Got This, Score, Let's Play. I mean, I do have football photos. So I don't know. I would rather do that in the team colors. So we'll figure something out. All positive here, right? Here's a journaling card, side A, side B. I like that color. Another little journaling card with a megaphone on it. I'm not sure. Yeah, like that. There's the handle on the bottom. Side A, side B. I'm your #1 fan. Side A, side B. Could I use this for my cat? Not quite sure. Ooh, this is a pretty print. They should have used this one. I like that. Side A. Side B, dream big and then make it happen. probably going to use this side. So those are the journaling cards and the sentiment cards and whatnot, and the little embellishments. Let's look at the templates. I always enjoy looking at the templates. So there's that, right? Now, there's 9 templates in this set. And when I saw the first gigantic big one, I thought of a way to use it. And it wasn't sports related. Yay! It was Christmas related. Christmas trees. That's how I saw those. Of course, you could put arrows up here pointing to the Christmas trees. And hang little balls off it. I thought that'd be really, really cute. And then there is this template. If you have, those the ball games where you push the ball down and it goes windy, roundy, and does a shoot, you could use this as one of the tubes. Just giving you all some ideas. This is a badge. Or use it as a candle. Just cut it off right there. Make a candle out of it. Okay. Hand for number 1. Pushing out the candle. See, there's always ways to use templates. And here's the chevrons, which I was like, why didn't they use the chevrons? There's little chevrons. And you can use your chevron border. Really, really cute. And another star. I love stars. So let's go. This is number 4 of 9. All the templates have the name of the template set on it and what the number is. So if you lose one, you can say, oh no, I lost number 4 of 9. What is it? Get in touch with Kiwi Lane. They might have a replacement for you. It will cost a few dollars, but better to check than to have an incomplete set. And let's go. It's an arrow on a hook, or it could be a ski, a shepherd's hook. Lots of different ways to use templates. So this is the January 2024 Kiwi Love kit called I'm Your Number One Fan. It's to replace the December 2023 kit, which we'll be receiving in January. So if you like this kit, yay! If you are undecided, yay! If you don't know what to do, that's me. I'm sure I can come up with something. I can use side A's, I can use some side B's, and it'll just be it'll be great. Anyway, come join my Facebook group, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, use my Kiwi Lane number, and have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye.